For 3 days and watch what happens in your body. Fruits are sources of vitamins and minerals, and this makes them the greatest source of nutrients for the body, as they provide us with everything the body needs to live. However, there are fruits that we have to combine with others to complement each other in the nutritional benefits they bring to human health, while others alone have everything we need to feed ourselves well. Many of the fruits, because of their great amount of nutrients, make our allies to us daily, since they contain all the necessary nutrients for the human organism. Inside these fruits is the guava. Guava contains great beneficial properties for the body. Contains a great contribution of antioxidants and vitamins. Contains large amounts of nutrients, water, carbohydrates, calories, fiber, vitamin C in large quantities, vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, pantothenic acid, calcium, folates, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, sodium, iron, zinc, copper and selenium. This plant has the property that can be used whole, because with its leaves is infused for colds and flu, to restore the ovaries. With its shell is also made infusion, and its fruits are excellent to make fillings in pastry, sweets, juices, eat it natural as it comes from the forest, etc. Now we will talk about the benefits of ingesting the guava. 1. Helps the immune system, raises the body's defenses by its large amount of vitamin C. 2. It reduces the risk of having cancer because of its great antioxidant properties besides preventing old age. Neutralizes free radicals. 3. It has great benefits to the heart. Both fruit and leaves help to control bad cholesterol and also controls blood sugar levels. 4. Large amounts of fiber that also help control blood sugar in addition to activating the intestines. 5. For oral health is the best, because of its antibacterial properties. Guava paste removes tartar and kills germs and helps for toothache. 6. Help the eyesight, improve the retina. 7. For the skin is excellent, because it is so powerful antioxidant, it does not allow you to grow old. 8. Help against dehydration, how much you have diarrhea. 9. The thyroid is favored by the great benefits of guava, control it and therefore the whole body benefits. 10. It plays an important role in the brain for its vitamins.